Hi, this is Jared from GemFind, and I'm going to show you today the JewelCloud report system and a new set of reports that we've recently added to JewelCloud. This will be a very brief overview. You can have a more detailed demo at a later date. In order to find this new report, you'll go into JewelCloud, click on the Reports tab across the top, and navigate over to the Jewelry Chart Report. Now, there are two master filters that appear at the top. The first one is the Retailer filter. I have it listed for all retailers, and this is going to show me data across the entire JewelCloud system and all the authorized retailers that have been turned on for this vendor. The date range is also set at 90 days. Now I could select different date ranges. We're going to leave it at 90 days for the demo, but you could narrow down or widen that, if you will, through the date range filter. So what we see here for this particular date range, we had 6,688 clicks across all retailers across JewelCloud. And that's great information in terms of clicks, but we want you to be able to drill down and make the data more meaningful for you so you can make good decisions as a result of it. So we're telling you on this left side of the screen the product categories that are being clicked on most often. And you can see that there are categories that have a lot of clicks and categories that have a very small number of clicks and all parts in between. But this tells this particular vendor which items are performing better in terms of clicks than others. And over here on this side of the screen, we're showing you the price points of these items. And it's the same kind of data. You're able to see which price points, including this call for price, are dominating the category and which ones aren't doing as well. So you're able to see across all of your products what are the price points that the customers are most interested in based on how they're clicking into the information. Now down here at the bottom, we also give you a chart that shows all of the information and all the specific clicks by specific item and by specific retailer. So this is the very detailed information that you're able to click through and sort through to be able to see if there are any patterns in terms of prices, in terms of collections, in terms of retailers that are performing well. Lots of different ways to take a look at this data. Now let's suppose that I didn't want to look at the aggregate data. I really wanted to see how a particular retailer was performing. I can simply click into a retailer, apply the filter, keeping the date range the same, and it's going to show me what are the click levels that are happening with this particular retailer. And in this case, there have been 427 clicks that have happened in the 90-day window. And this is going to tell me that this particular retailer is very heavily involved in engagement rings and also with regular rings. They're dominating over half of the business. So that's good information to know for this particular retailer. And I'm also able to see that they have two very large price categories. The largest is $2,501 to $10,000. Second largest is this $1,001 to $2,500 category. So basically about 2/3 of the clicks are happening between $1,001 and $10,000 priced items. So I'm able to very quickly hone in with this particular retailer to know how they're performing and what products are doing well inside of JewelCloud for them. I have the same chart at the bottom, but again, it's just specific to this retailer. And I can drill into this and do all the different sorting that I might want to be able to make this data meaningful. Well, that's just a brief overview of the new jewelry chart reports inside JewelCloud. If you like more detailed information, feel free to call us, and your sales rep will be able to set up a demo and go through that with you in detail. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a member of JewelCloud by GemFind.